Hey y'all! In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with y'all my nighttime skin routine. I just want to get up close and personal so y'all can see my skin. I mean, it's kind of flawless. No, anyway, seriously, I've never really had a problem with like blemishes or anything like that. I just always hated my freckles. I've learned to love them, but I have not always been pro freckles. But I want to show y'all my nighttime skin routine so you can just kind of see how I keep my skin flawless. Now, my skincare routine changes just like with anything, but this is pretty much my regimen that I've been using for a little minute now. All the things that I'm going to be showing y'all, you can find them in the drugstore. Let's go. So the first step, of course, if I have on makeup, I don't have on makeup, but I've been outside, and definitely if you have on makeup, you want to use some type of makeup remover. And I use these, God, I know this is the Equate brand. All right, so I use the Equate nighttime soothing wipes when I have on makeup. It just feels so good. Does it have lavender in it? They're very gentle, especially on the eyes. Like, did y'all know that this right here, this skin right here, is the most fragile part of your skin? If you didn't know that, now you know. The next step that we're gonna do is, I like to use this Noxzema Clean, was the Classic Clean Moisturizing. It's the Classic Clean Moisturizing with eucalyptus. This is different from the regular Classic Clean. It's like more moisturizing. It doesn't dry your skin out. Let me put my hair up. Yeah, so it like doesn't dry your skin out. So I live in Louisiana, and for the most part in Louisiana, it's always humid 99% of the time. Like, it's June right now, and girl, when I'm telling y'all, when you walk outside, it's like you walking outside into the oven. But as you can see, it's like a really creamy consistency, and the eucalyptus just opens up your pores. I really like this stuff. Sometimes, like, y'all know I don't, well, y'all don't know, but I don't wear makeup a lot. But when I used to wear a makeup back in the day, like cake face type makeup, this is what I used to use to take my makeup off. So the crew is back, so let me close the door. I like to use cold water. Cold water closes your pores after the eucalyptus like opens them up. The cold water closes them. Now, if I was doing a mask, I would want to use warm water or hot water because I want them to be open. So that's the kind of, that's like a little, when I'm in the shower, I use warm water, but I use cold water today because I'm not using a mask that I normally use. So, but typically I would use warm water because I would want my mask to, my pores to be open so that I can put my mask on. Your skin feels so good after you use Noxzema. Like, girl, look at, I gotta get back to the light so y'all can see. So now that we're back, as you can see, like, girl, my skin is popping, honey. Not on some conceited type stuff, but I take care of my skin. All right, so next you want to use a toner. Okay, so if you're skipping this step, this is a vital part of your skincare, okay? This is like, think about when you used to get a relaxer. After you use the relaxer on your hair, your stylist used a neutralizing shampoo to get your scalp's pH back to the norm range. That is the purpose of a toner. Toner, your cleanser, basically strips your skin of dirt and oils, especially if it doesn't have a moisturizing agent, and it just, your pH goes crazy. So if you have oily skin, guess what's gonna happen? It's gonna start producing more oil, and then you're gonna start getting blemishes, and it's gonna be a mess. Never, ever, ever, ever skip this step. The toner that I use is Thayer's Witch Hazel, and this one has lavender. I'm going to bed, so if you're sensitive to any type of fragrance or anything, they do have an original without lavender, but you could kind of spray it on like that, or you could do like I do. I purchased these large cotton pads from Target, and I like them because you get to cover more area, but you can just spray your toner on and you can kind of like dampen it. You can just kind of press it into your skin. I mean, y'all know I like to be quick, so bam, we done. But get into the skin, girl. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is a mask, and if I have time, I'll do this. I don't do this all the time because this is 15 minutes. Like, you have to leave this mask on for 15 minutes. For the purpose of this video, I got 15 minutes today. I'm actually gonna put it on and get in the shower, and that'll be that. So this is Hydro Boost Hydrating 100% Hydrogel Mask. So if you have oily skin, this may not be for you, but for bedtime, I think it's good. So it comes in actually like 2 parts. So this part's the top part. I hate these things. You wanna make sure, it has like 2 textures. So you wanna make sure that the slimy texture is actually what you put on your face, because it has like the hydrogel in it. And you know you're doing it right. If you have the eye part, you could just flip it up, but I'm not covering my eyes, but I am going to press it right there on my under eye. And the bottom portion, I'm going to put on. It has a lip cover as well, so you can cover your lips, but it just slides. Y'all get the picture. I am going to jump in the shower real quick, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna wrap up the skincare. Highly recommend this mask if you have not tried it, so take a screenshot. Okay, so now that we're done, we can go ahead and remove this. We can take it off, and it's really a moisturizer, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, and this will be my moisturizer, and I'm almost out, guys. This stuff is so good. If you're looking for a drugstore moisturizer, it's bomb. I am gonna take this Mary Kay eye gel and just put it under my eyes. You don't have to do this, but I suggest that if you have bags under your eyes, you always use the eye gel before you go to sleep. Just rule of thumb. So this isn't a part of my facial skin routine, but this is a part of like my moisturizing at night before I go to bed. Heels, elbows, just those areas that can have the tendency to get really dry. This Nivea cream is, I think it's a dupe for La Mer, and you guys, this was like maybe $5, I'm not really sure, but I know less than $5. And La Mer comes in a small container like this, and it's $97 at Sephora. Like, girl, just imagine how much the larger one costs. But look at the consistency of that. Oh my goodness, like this is so bomb. Now I have oily skin, like combination oily skin, so I would never put this stuff on my face. It has mineral oil in it, but elbows, yes. Heels, yes. And another thing I always do at night is I take some lotion or this cream, and I make sure that I get my neck, and got it in my hair. It's all good, I'll get it out. But never do this. girl, we don't want them type of problems, okay? Always go like upwards when you're moisturizing your neck. Don't forget about your neck, okay? Just don't do it. So yeah, anyway, I am ready for bed. I need some lip balm. Go ahead and put some of this on my lips. And I am ready to go. But yeah, take a look at my skin. Very moisturized, very supple, very ready for the next day. Hope that you guys enjoyed my nighttime skincare routine. I am ready for bed. If you want to see more videos like this, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Check out some of my other vlogs, and I'm out.